Did you know that the MacBook Neo is rumored to have a hidden secret mode that can boost its performance by up to 30%? The MacBook Neo has been making waves in the tech world, with many of us eagerly anticipating its release. This laptop has been shrouded in mystery, with rumors and leaks trickling in here and there. What makes it so special, you ask? That's what we're here to find out. The MacBook Neo 2026 is one of the most surprising products Apple has released in years. Designed as the company's most affordable laptop ever, it breaks into a segment long dominated by budget Windows laptops and Chromebooks. But unlike typical cheap laptops, the Neo tries to deliver a premium Apple experience at a much lower price point, starting around $599 or even lower for students. This review dives deep into everything you need to know, from design and performance to real-world usability, so you can decide whether the MacBook Neo is worth buying in 2026. 1. Introduction: Apple's bold move into budget laptops. For years, Apple avoided the low-cost laptop market. The MacBook Air was considered the entry-level option, but even that remained expensive for many users. The MacBook Neo changes that strategy completely. With aggressive pricing and a focus on students and everyday users, the Neo is positioned as a gateway into the Apple ecosystem. And judging by early reactions, it's not just another budget laptop, it's a market disruptor. 2. Design and build quality. At first glance, the MacBook Neo doesn't feel like a budget device at all. Apple has retained its signature aluminum unibody design, giving the laptop a premium look and feel that rivals much more expensive machines. The laptop is lightweight, around 2.7 pounds, making it easy to carry around for students or professionals on the go. It's also available in vibrant colors like silver, indigo, blush, citrus. This colorful approach is unusual for MacBooks but adds personality, especially appealing to younger users. Despite its lower price, reviewers consistently highlight that nothing feels cheap about the build quality. 3. Display, surprisingly premium. The MacBook Neo features a 13-inch QHD Plus IPS display with a 60 Hz refresh rate. In real-world use, the display stands out as one of the strongest aspects of the device. Sharp resolution. Good brightness. Excellent color clarity though not full P3 gamut. While it lacks advanced features like ProMotion or True Tone, it still beats many laptops in its price range. For streaming, browsing, and productivity, the display feels far more premium than expected. 4. Performance, A18 Pro chip in a laptop. One of the most interesting aspects of the MacBook Neo is its processor, the A18 Pro chip, originally designed for iPhones. What this means in real life: excellent single-core performance, fast everyday tasks, smooth web browsing, video playback, and office work, efficient power consumption. However, there are trade-offs. Weaker multi-core performance compared to higher-end Macs. Not ideal for heavy workloads like video editing or 3D rendering. Still, for its target audience, students and casual users, the performance is more than sufficient. In fact, many reviewers say it handles daily tasks effortlessly. 5. RAM and storage, the biggest limitation. The MacBook Neo comes with 8 GB RAM base, 256 GB or 512 GB storage options. While macOS is optimized to use memory efficiently, 8 GB RAM in 2026 is controversial. Pros: works fine for light tasks. Efficient memory management. Cons: limited for multitasking. Not future-proof. Many experts recommend upgrading to the 512 GB model, which also adds features like Touch ID. 6. Keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard experience is decent but not perfect. Comfortable typing. No backlighting major compromise. The trackpad is slightly downgraded. Mechanical instead of force touch. Still responsive and usable. These compromises help Apple keep the cost low, but they are noticeable compared to higher-end MacBooks. 7. Ports and connectivity. The MacBook Neo has a minimal port selection. 2x USB-C ports with different speeds. No Thunderbolt. No HDMI, no SD card slot. No MagSafe. This is one of the biggest drawbacks of the device. It's clearly designed for basic usage rather than professional workflows. On the plus side, Wi-Fi 6E support ensures fast wireless connectivity. 8. Battery life, a major strength. Battery life is one of the standout features of the MacBook Neo. Up to 16 hours of usage on a single charge. Extremely power efficient due to A-series chip. In real-world use, the laptop easily lasts a full day of browsing, streaming, document editing. This makes it perfect for students and travelers. 9. Software experience, macOS advantage. Running macOS gives the Neo a significant edge over budget Windows laptops. Benefits: smooth performance, long-term software updates, seamless integration with iPhone and iPad. For users already in the Apple ecosystem, the experience is especially compelling. 10. Real-world usage, who is it for? The MacBook Neo is clearly targeted at students, casual users, first-time Mac buyers, light productivity users. Perfect for web browsing, watching videos, writing and schoolwork, light coding. Not ideal for video editing, gaming, professional creative work. In short, it's a daily use machine, not a power user's device. 11. Pros and cons. Pros: premium design at a low price, excellent battery life, strong everyday performance, great display, macOS ecosystem. Cons: only 8 GB RAM, limited ports, no keyboard backlight, weak for heavy workloads. 12. Market impact, a game changer? The MacBook Neo has already shaken the laptop market. Competitors are being forced to rethink their budget offerings, as Apple now delivers premium quality at a much lower price. Some industry insiders even described it as a shock to the PC market. It also directly challenges Chromebooks in education, a segment Apple previously struggled to dominate. 13. Final verdict: should you buy the MacBook Neo? The MacBook Neo 2026 is not perfect, but it doesn't need to be. It succeeds in doing something Apple has never done before: delivering a true budget laptop that still feels premium. If you need a laptop for everyday tasks, studying, or casual use, the Neo is arguably one of the best value options available in 2026. However, if you need heavy multitasking, professional software, future-proof performance, you're better off investing in a MacBook Air or Pro. Let's imagine you're a graphic designer working on a tight deadline. You need a laptop that can keep up with your demands, and the MacBook Neo seems like the perfect solution. With its rumored AI-enhanced performance and top-notch specs, this laptop could be a game-changer. As someone who's excited about the MacBook Neo, I can already imagine the impact it could have on my daily workflow. From faster rendering times to seamless multitasking, this laptop seems like it could be a real productivity powerhouse. Finally, the moment of truth: what's the biggest secret of the MacBook Neo? After digging deep, I'm convinced that the secret lies in its AI-enhanced performance. This feature has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and play. The MacBook Neo's secret mode is more than just a performance boost, it's a whole new way of interacting with your laptop. Imagine having a computer that can anticipate your needs and adapt to your habits. It's an exciting prospect, and one that's sure to benefit creatives, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking for a high-performance laptop. So, who would truly benefit from the MacBook Neo's secret? In my opinion, it's anyone who needs a high-performance laptop that can keep up with their demands. From graphic designers to software developers, this laptop seems like it could be a must-have. 14. Conclusion. The MacBook Neo represents a turning point for Apple. It proves that affordability doesn't have to mean compromise, at least not in the ways that matter most. It's not just a cheaper MacBook. It's a smarter one. And for millions of users, that might be exactly what they've been waiting for. If you're as excited about the MacBook Neo as I am, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights, and check out our related video on the latest Apple rumors. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the MacBook Neo. Do you think it's the laptop of the future? Let us know, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you like this video, be sure to check out our channel for more tech content. We've got the latest news, reviews, and insights on all things tech.